Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are going shopping. So basically I just went Black Friday shopping this year and I spent so much money, you guys, but it's okay. This is only once a year, right? Anyways, so I just wanted to come here and show you everything that I bought so you guys could check it out, and when you go Black Friday shopping you can just check the things that I bought, like the deals and all that stuff. So but before you get started, I wanted to remind you all to subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos, and tell me what else you want to see. I'll do it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this Black Friday haul. What's a Black Friday haul without Bath and Body Works? Like, it's not a Black Friday haul if you don't go to Bath and Body Works. So we're gonna start with the king of Black Fridays. So from here I got 4 things. The first thing that I got was obviously candles. This is the White Barn Rose Water and Ivy Scented Candle. I already used this. As you can see, it is like almost done. It is like half done, but honestly it's not my favorite. I think in the store it smelled better, but it's not the worst. But I'm still gonna show you guys. I don't think I'm gonna buy it again, but it's good. It's good. Next thing I got is this Winter Candy Apple Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. What's Christmas time without a Christmas hand soap? The next candle that I bought was this Cactus Blossom candle. This is one of my all-time favorite candles. I recommend that everyone watching this gets that candle because it smells so good, you guys. I wish you can smell it because it's just wonderful. You should go and buy that. And last but not least, I've been obsessed lately with some of the wall scents from Bath and Body, and I just got one for Black Friday, and this is a champagne toast one. It is pink, it's pretty, and I cannot wait to use this and for my house to smell like champagne. So that's all I got from Bath and Body Works, but we have Old Navy now, and oh, I forgot I bought this. Oh, that's when you know you've made a great purchase. The first thing that I got were these slippers. I cannot wait to use these slippers. They are so soft. No, that's gross. No. I cannot wait to use this every single day. And obviously, who doesn't go to Old Navy during Christmas and doesn't buy a Christmas sweater? Like, look at how beautiful this looks. I cannot wait to wear this. And I got this in an extra small, and the pants, they didn't have it on the store that I went to, so I went online and I bought them because I need to be combined this Christmas. Stay tuned for Christmas themed videos with me wearing this shirt. So the next place that I went to was Pacsun, and I don't think they have like Black Friday deals. What am I doing? Yes, of course they did. I bought, guys, you're not gonna believe this, to be honest. I bought 2 dresses. You know for what? For how much? $10 each from Pacsun. It's still so surreal. Like, Pacsun is a really expensive store for me, and I just got this in the sales section, and I was like, I need to go and get them. So the first one that I bought was this super cute like gingham dress. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Perfect for Christmas. And this has this little bow on the back. Ooh, so freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this for Christmas, for Three Kings Day, for New Year. Like, I'm all set up. The next thing that I got was this beautiful navy dress, also from Pacsun. Look at how beautiful this looks. It's so beautiful, and for only $10 from Pacsun, that's the best deal a girl could ever get. The next store that I went to was Forever 21, and from Forever 21 I just got these simple cute earrings. They are so pretty. They're just really simple and cute, so I love them. The next store that I went to was Macy's, and from Macy's I got like the majority of the money that I spent was from Macy's. So let's see, okay. The first thing that I got was this super cute yellow dress for $15. Look at how beautiful the color is, and it is long and it is tight, and oh, I cannot wait to wear this dress soon. I need to wear this soon. The next thing that I bought from Macy's was, I'm gonna tell you the story of how I bought this. So basically I just entered Macy's and I saw like there were these Lancome employees like doing people's makeup, and I was like, you know what, Mom, let's go and do our makeup. Let's just get pretty and shop. And when they put on this foundation, this Lancome, I don't even, what does it say here? Taint Idol? Ooh, I don't even know what it says here, like how to pronounce those two words. But the thing was that I went to Macy's, they put this on my face, and I was like, what? That is my face? What? It looks like porcelain, like for real. And I was mesmerized. And my mom was like, you know what, I'll give you half of the money in order for you to buy that. And I was like, I cannot pass on that deal. So basically I got this foundation for $47, around $50 with the tax. And when I bought that foundation, the employees gave me so many other makeup stuff. The first thing that they got me was this super pretty pink makeup bag. Look at how beautiful it looks, and this is so soft. Oh, I can't. They also gave me this blush brush, and they told me that this brush alone costs around $60. I don't know if I should believe that, but you know, it's Lancome and it's like a good brush, so maybe that brush really is $60 and I got it for free, so thank you, Lancome people. I also got this eyeshadow. Oh, I cannot open this, like never. Oh, there you go. I got these eyeshadows as well. Look at how pretty they look. They also gave me some sunscreen, like moisturizer thing. This one right here, and they also gave me an eye cream. So we got the set. We are ready for those dry Christmas nights. And they also gave me a crayon. I'm thinking this is like an eyeliner. So I don't use a lot of pencil eyeliner, so I might give this away. Let me know if you'll be interested in that. Comment down below if you want it. And the last two things that they gave me were a mascara, like a primer for mascara. Let's see if it's white. It's kind of white. And they also gave me the mascara that goes with it. So now I have two new mascaras. And that was all for Macy's, but I just wanted to come here and say that I also went to Walgreens and I got, you guys, have you seen, like, I made a video a long time ago with my dog Goldenie. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below so you guys would check it out, and I'll also insert the card right here on top of the screen. But I got this at Walgreens and I think it looks just like her. I love my puppy, and I just had to buy this. And look at what it says when I press it. Guys, that's it for my Black Friday haul. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below, and also I invite you all to follow me on Instagram because I post like almost every single day there. Make sure that you go and hit that follow button over there. So thank you so much for watching, and next time I'll see you, it's gonna be December and we are going to hit up the Christmas themed videos. So if you have any related Christmas themed videos that you want me to upload and film, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you have a wonderful day, and I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.